The correct way to write YouTube scripts with ChatGPT. Writing YouTube scripts with ChatGPT can be a powerful way to create engaging and informative content. Here's a detailed guide on how to do it effectively. Step 1. Define your video topic and purpose. Choose a clear topic. Decide what your video will be about. It should be specific and relevant to your audience's interests. Determine the purpose. Are you educating, entertaining, reviewing, or providing a tutorial? Knowing your purpose will guide the content of your script. Step 2. Introduction. Engaging hook. 1. Start with an attention-grabbing statement or question. 3. This should entice viewers to continue watching. Introduce yourself and the video. 1. Briefly introduce yourself and give a quick overview of what viewers can expect from the video. Step 3. Content. Structured content delivery. 1. Use ChatGPT to help structure your content. 3. You can use it to generate explanations, examples, anecdotes, or any other relevant information. 1. Break down complex ideas into simple, understandable parts. Engage with ChatGPT for additional insights throughout. 1. If you need more information or want to elaborate on a point, you can ask ChatGPT for additional details. Step 4. Visuals and demonstrations. Incorporate visuals and B-roll footage. 1. If you have visual aids, explain what viewers are seeing. 3. ChatGPT can help you generate clear and concise descriptions. Step 5. Transition. Smooth transition to the next point. 1. Signal that you're moving on to the next subtopic or point. Step 6. Call to action. Encourage engagement. 1. Ask viewers to like, comment, subscribe, or share the video. 3. Explain why it's valuable for them to do so. Step 7. Conclusion. Summarize key points. 1. Recap the main takeaways from the video. Step 8. Closing statement. End on a strong note. 1. Provide a closing thought, encouragement, or a teaser for future content. Additional tips. Practice and edit. Rehearse your script to ensure it flows smoothly. Edit as needed for clarity and conciseness. Maintain natural flow. While using ChatGPT for information, make sure the script sounds natural and in line with your usual speaking style. Use visual cues. If you have specific cues for visuals, mention them in the script, e.g., insert graphic of. Engage with the audience. Encourage comments and feedback in the script to foster community engagement. Remember, the goal is to create valuable and engaging content for your viewers. Use ChatGPT as a tool to enhance your script. But ensure your unique voice and style shine through. Please support my channel. Thanks for watching.